So here we are with Dangerous Tackle. We have Dane here, the owner of Dangerous Tackle, and we're just gonna go over what he likes to throw on these and how he likes to use them and his favorite technique for them. So
yeah, this is the watermelon green, and what I like to do is put a rage craw or some sort of something that you get a lot of vibration out of for a tail. Twister tails, rage craws, anything like that. The big thing is that you're fishing it like a spinnerbait, but there's no spinner on here. So that's the key to a swim bait. Throw it in heavy cover. The one thing that we have too on our swim bait that's a little bit unique to us is the trailer lock on the back. And what that does is it locks on your trailer. So if you catch 10 fish, you're going to wear out your plastic before you wear out, before you have to keep readjusting that plastic on your jig all the time.
Yeah, that's a very good unique feature of these jigs. We'll do a little close up in a little bit, but
and there's 4 sizes. There's a quarter, 3/8, a half, and 3/4. The most popular are probably the lighter ones. They're really good for swimming through a lot of timber or weeds.
You heard it here. Dangerous Tackle. You can go check these out. Do you have a website?
Website, YouTube channel, Facebook page. Check us out. Come like us. And like these guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
How'd you catch it?
With, what were they doing?
Bobber and a bluegill hook.
Oh, yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, nice fish. Guys, how much fish did you guys catch?
I caught one.
One fish? What
What
about
was
you?
One.
One? Two?
I used a hook and worm, and I caught five fish.
Nice job. Nice fish.
I'll turn it over to Jake to read the winners.
All right. The winner of the most fish with 10 panfish was Allison Miller.
Hey, Alice. Good job. There you go. Will you take a picture with us in front of the sign?
The largest panfish was 8 1/4. That was caught by Connor Welter. Connor had quite the day today. He also caught the largest bass at 18 1/8.
Whoa. There you go, bud.
And then for our largest fish was the second largest bass. So that one's going to go to Keaton Anderson. There you go, buddy.
All right. Good job.
All right. We can take your 3 picture by the sign here.